5 Spurs in double figures. Johnson with a dozen. Steph for 3. Yes!
He's a flamethrower again. They keep switching Pirtle onto him. Just keep ending up on an island with Steph. It's a lonely place to be.
They came from 19 down to beat Philly. From 22 down to have the lead. Curry down the lane.
He is an all-round scorer, and he's got heart. Look at him talking to the crowd. What a performance. You talk about a mentally tough team led by a mentally tough player. Started off super scratchy in this game. Just kept working, kept running around. Now he's knocking down threes. He's back to his old self. This is what he does. He is the closer.
He started 1 of 15. He's been 5 of 10 since. There is physical toughness, and then there's just mental toughness.
That's what I'm saying. Look at that handle. Look at him beating his chest. Such a competitor.